What's the crack, lads? Welcome to a big forest. It's hot and we're in black and we're here to showcase this beautiful place. Can you guess where I am? Okay, so on the Waitakere forest, in the Waitakere forest, there's trails. This is the Hillary Trail, and it's pretty cool. So this is leg one. So, what am I doing here, I hear you ask? Well, having lived in New Zealand for quite some time now, I've noticed a pattern with the people who come to visit. They get to Auckland Airport, they go straight into the city centre, and they fly to the South Island, not even giving a second thought to the beautiful surroundings of Auckland City. This forest right here is on the doorstep of Auckland CBD. It's literally 40 minutes and you're out here in the wilderness and it's beautiful. So I want to document this trip while I capture some decent photography, hopefully some good film, to show all you fine folks what to do next time you land at Auckland Airport. Head out here to the Waitakeres on the Hillary Trail.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.
Okay, time for some context. I just realized I walked 2.5 hours without a break except for talking, well, not even talking to you lot. Time for some context. What a crazy year. All the stuff that's happened. But for me personally, I've had 2 kids, under 2. Admittedly, one of them was in 2016. Full-time job, bit of photography on the side. In Ireland we call that a nixer. And in between all of these major events, being busy, being stressed, it's been hard to find time for myself. And I've spent a lot of time watching YouTube and watching other people like me who are photographers and creatives being out in the wild doing stuff they love to do, and I just kept watching and I guess living vicariously through those videos. Peter McKinnon, Thomas Heaton, Casey Neistat, James Matthews. That's what I wanted to do. But when you're busy, you're working, you're a parent, you got to negotiate everything. You got to balance out responsibilities, make decisions, and sacrifices before you choose to spend time on yourself. So today is the day I negotiated to spend time doing this instead of sitting at home watching this on YouTube. So here I am in the Waitakere Ranges, in the wild, going camping by myself, talking to myself in the woods. It's what I want to do. So the light's getting low. I've got another 2.5 hours to get before I get to the campsite. I want to get some photography in, do some landscapes, show you, shower, what this beautiful place is like, so that you don't skip it when you come to New Zealand. It's awesome. Hillary Trail, Waitakere Ranges. This is disgusting. I don't know. The water's good though. That's it. Onwards and upwards to Huya.
You to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame, and I know that I have no one else to blame.
I made it. So it's time to set up my camp. So this is my tent. Sleeping mat, essential, tiny, compact. That wasn't too bad, was it? I'm gonna try and hit the waterfall. I need a swim. I am sweating bad. The light is dying. I think I'm too late for some landscape photography of the waterfall, but you never know. Could do some long exposures. But to be honest, the main thing I'm thinking of now is jumping in that waterfall. I've no towel, I've no togs, and I don't give. Okay, the sun is just setting. I reckon I can get one shot. So nice leading line. Oh, gotta be careful here. One false move, the camera could go right down the valley. Okay, it's getting too dark. I'm gonna have to call it a day. One last shot. Okay, so last night was pretty cool. It got completely dark when I managed to finish taking pictures of that beautiful waterfall. I had to get my head torch on and I had to get out of there really fast. The trek up there nearly killed me, but when I jumped into that water, the stress of life washed away. Okay, so this is the Waitakere National Park in Auckland, and I'm going to show you the route that I took yesterday. So started at the Waitakere Visitor Centre, and then we walked all the way down and down and down and down and down through the valley. We got to this dam and walked all along the dam, down and down and down to Huia Bay. It's this lovely little place here, and then walked along the foreshore and then up to where we are right now, the Karamatura. I keep wanting to say Karmasutra, but that's probably wrong. Karamatura campsite, and then the hardest part of the day, as you well know, was the walk, the steep walk up the Karamatura track to the Karamatura Falls, but it was well worth it. And that's the first leg of the Hillary Trail, named after Sir Edmund Hillary. Yes, the Edmund Hillary, the first man to summit Mount Everest. So the next time we meet will be back here, and I will be doing leg 2, which is the track to Whatipu. Okay, that's it, folks. This is my drone shot. I don't have a drone. I wish I had a drone, but I don't have a drone, so this is my drone shot. Flying over the mountains and lakes. Beautiful DJI Mavic footage. Look at that. I mean, look at the height, the altitude. It almost looks like a map. Beautiful drone footage. Just beautiful. Amazing. I think that kind of craziness is my cue to go home. See you later.